This is the Pro Stormer 93-piece toolbox set, and look how nice it is. Comes in this carrying case, and all you have to do is open it up, and look how perfect this is. It has such a nice set, perfect for a new homeowner, or if you just moved into an apartment, or if you're a student and just moved into a dorm. It has a hammer, as well as a tape measure, a wrench, scissors, small screwdrivers, a razor cutter, as well as Allen wrenches in all different sizes. And it also has some nails and screws and anchors too. And it has a variety of different bits for Phillips as well as screwdriver heads. Let me show you close up so you can see all you're going to receive. Here's a close-up of the toolbox set, and it is fantastic. It has these little screwdrivers as well as these scissors, a razor cutter, this wrench, as well as Allen wrenches in different sizes. It also has this hammer as well as a tape measure. It also comes with this box, and they provided anchors, washers, screws, and nails too. Perfect. It also comes with a variety of these bits, and these are perfect for a variety of tasks. It also comes with this where you can pull out the bits, and it's magnetic, and you can interchange them all, just like that. Perfect. Now, if you need an extension, they've also included this as well. So you can just put that there, and then again, it's magnetic. Isn't that awesome? It also comes with this tape measure and this wrench too. This is such a nice set. Perfect to give as a gift or to buy for yourself. You know, this way you just have it all, and it is so nice. Definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.